Pretty uneventful flight. There was a couple of hiccups between passengers that they worked out themselves. I'm finding on this job, if you just take yourself out of the equation, the two will work it out. Whether it's seats, this time it was a little kid that was kicking the seat in front of a lady who was flying to bury her mother. I feel bad for her. So the mother of the child said, hey, can you just, my kid keeps kicking the chair, so just move the lady. I'm like, no, you need to be in control of your own child. It's an hour and 45 minutes, people. Please get a grip. And then who's in line first for the forward bathroom when I have two bathrooms in the back? There's no reason to argue about that. Really, people. Or you can do what I do. I hold it all day long. I do not use a plain lavatory unless I am absolutely desperate. I try and go in the airport, or just don't drink during the day, which is terrible. I know you're supposed to drink water, especially on the plane. It's supposed to be dehydrated. I'm not feeling myself dehydrated. I'm not having that skin change that people talk about. I will say my lips are going to be chapped tomorrow because the shuttle didn't meet us on time when we pulled into Atlanta, and it was freezing, and the wind chill factor, it was windy, it was blowing us to death, and I packed my jacket, my suitcase, so all I had on was a sweater. I was freezing. Oh, it was so cold. I tried to go to sleep because I have to start getting ready for work already. I really haven't slept in over 30 hours, maybe more or longer than that. When I took the original trip just to Tampa, overnighter, I only packed an overnighter, didn't bring my cooler, it's overnighter, and I was on my way home. I was almost there. I rolled over back and forth in the bed, tried to sleep, tossing and turning for 3 hours, never slept. So I've got to start getting ready. I just hate crossing over 2 time zones, twice in the same day, only sleeping one of those days and having to work again. I mean, you land, you get a couple of hours, if you can sleep. If not, you get up and you start getting ready, because you're back to work. It's not even deadhead. At least Tampa, I was deadheading back. Yesterday was my first time working the C position, and that's the cabin position. The only thing is you have to sit up front. I kind of like sitting in the back of the aft galley. I wouldn't mind if I can get the D on this flight coming up to switch with me. We'll see how that goes. Our main flight attendant, I guess you'd call her, was kind of pissed off because the pilots, they have a different union, they have different rules, and I guess they used to travel together, and now they jump off the plane. I mean, the minute, I think they were out before we said main cabin door open. I think they just like busted out there. I saw them leave before any of the passengers even got up. So it's raining here in Atlanta. We got an outside elevator, I guess, a glass elevator, escalators, and people are eating down there. To me, it seems early in the morning, but it's really lunchtime. I think it's like 1 o'clock their time. Yeah, I can't really see much. Just this decoration pipe thing. It's not a bad place, though. You know, I think this is what they call College Park, and there's nothing here. You're like out in the middle of nowhere, because there you get the freeway. There's nothing in walking distance at all. So I don't know if you guys can see everything. The way they have it set up is really nice. They have a little sitting room, and they've got, I don't know if this is like for cables or, I'm not quite sure what this is for. I guess if you can do some editing or something, I'm not sure. Get your built-in TV, and then here you have your little, I guess, the wine fridge, and you've got real glasses, plastic glasses, your dresser. Yeah, it's got a cordless phone too. But I think I have 5 days off coming up, so I need to clean my house and I need to relax, and I'm gonna start getting ready soon. Bye. So since I couldn't sleep, I decided to take a shower, do my hair, put my makeup on, and get all ready. Because I was heading down to the shuttle when all of a sudden, Chris scheduling called. But at least they're calling because the flight's been delayed. And now my shuttle's not picking me up for another 6 hours, which gets me in just before midnight of my day off. Oh, another trip from hell. Can't wait to get off reserve. I don't know if I've ever shared this with you guys. Shampoo. This dry shampoo. One shampoo, one's conditioner. It's like a lemon, maybe it's lemon rosemary. And then, yeah, it actually says on it, but you can barely read it. It actually says conditioner on it. This is the conditioner. So here's my basic setup. When I come in, I try to put everything on the same piece of furniture so nothing gets left behind. Then I've got my small black purse. It is a crossbody bag. This is your best friend. So as soon as I get in the door, that's the first thing I do is I just spray anything that I'm going to be touching, all the contact points. I also bring my own pillowcase and I lay on top of this and I take it with me wherever I go and then I just wash when I get home. But really, it stays on the whole night. I wake up and I'm still laying on it. It does a good job and it has the smell of home. It's not the smell of like bleach or whatever they put on there. Public pillowcases. Yeah. I can't do. I do a lot of public stuff since I work for airlines. I don't want to do public pillowcases. My D, C, and B all wanted to go out to dinner tonight. I said I'd go at first, but you know, as soon as I get back to my room, I'm like, ugh. There's a restaurant here that's open for another hour and a half, so I think I'll do that. And it is expensive. We get 25% off. So I'm gonna go downstairs and see if they have something edible. I'm going to try to get some of these videos edited and updated and posted on the channel for you guys. Bye.